Metatron, 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 I am. Metatron vibration reminding you of your divine nature. As I stepped into my divine nature, as I stepped into the angelic realm, as I brought the human body into that realm, you are bringing the divine into the human realm. It is being done opposite as perhaps you may have seen it in the past. When you think of ascension, you think of going up, and when you look in your dictionaries, it talks about going up. And yet you are drawing the divine nature into the physical. The more you expand your consciousness and accept that you are capable of bringing this infinite energy into the physical, the easier the integration will be on the earth, in your reality and in others' reality. You are the pillars of light, and those pillars of light accept the light in their own being, and they bring the light into their life. They bring the light and shine it into the areas of shadows. Do not be frightened of the shadows. The shadows are shadows. They will move. The shadows are shadows. They will shift. The shadows are shadows. They will melt as the light and the dawn breaks upon the planet. The dawn is breaking, and yet it will take some time for the full light to be shining. Not within yourselves, however. If you choose to accept it, it is there. Release yourself from the bondage of limiting aspects, limiting thought forms, limitations in how you see yourself. Stretch yourself beyond the known boundaries of your being, of your nature, beyond the known boundaries of yourself. Become unlimited, become divine, become divine. I am divine, I am that I am, and I am divine. Continue to repeat that as you will. I am that I am, and I am divine. Shake out the dominant hand, whichever one you have as dominant, and place that dominant hand on the root chakra, and speak into the root chakra, imprinting the divine nature into the root chakra. I am that I am, and I am divine. Continue to repeat it as I speak. This is often a difficult one, for great fear of survival lies in this chakra. I am that I am, and I am divine. Root that into your earth. Shift your sits bones in your body. Shift it around and imagine the roots coming out of the spinal cord, moving through the surface of what you sit on, down into the surface and the core of the new healed whole Mother Earth at the body base, your body base. She is divine. The earth is divine, and her divine nature is superimposing itself over the old earth and shifting into a new earth. The shifting takes a little bit of just that, shifting and quaking, aching and making, flowing. The waves come in and flow and pull the old energy out. The magnetic force shifts around the planet, and the planet quakes. Smile and be joyous. You are divine. Your divine nature. You are vast, and in that vastness, you can hold the key to peace and harmony. You see, the frequency of the divine nature is within you. The frequency, the divine harmony frequency, is within your divine nature. It is in the flow of your blood. It is in the movement of your breath. This I say to you, that if you arise every day with the dawn, even if one eye only winks open, and you take a deep breath at that time, a deep breath, welcoming the dawn, and once again repeating, I am that I am, and I accept my divine nature. I am divine, and I accept my divine nature. Calling that divine nature in every cell of your being, in your ankles, in the creases between your legs and your armpits, the webbing between your fingers and your toes, the divine nature of your being. I am that I am, and I am divine. I am that I am, and I am divine. Calling that divine nature to you, to your whiskers, to your paws, to your toes, to your chin, to your nose. You are divine, and I am here to remind you of it. I ascended, and you are ascending in the new way on the earth. I am that I am, and I am divine. I am that I am. I am Metatron. I am Metatron, and the keys to the kingdom are within your hands. Awareness, awareness, awareness. These are the keys. Do not look for a gold or silver key, a brass key, an iron key. Awareness of your divinity. I am that I am, and I am Metatron, 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 Metatron. Drawing the breath in. I am Metatron. Feel the new life being born. Feel the images and the wings unfurling. Feel the joy in your being. Bring the memory of your divine nature to the now, to the moment. Bring it to your sorrow, bring it to your joy, bring it to your worry. Bring it to your earth. Bring it to the spaces on your earth. Every day, can you say that? Every morning, can you take that first breath in deeply? Call on me, Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. This channel has understood her dual nature. This channel has understood that the divine is with her even when she is feeling blue. She has understood it by practicing, calling on Kuan Yin, Kuan Yin, Kuan Yin, calling on Saint Germain, Saint Germain, calling on that breathing, holding the palms open. You can feel us. The more you ask for us, the more you connect to us, the more we will be with you, reflecting your divine nature back to you, surrounding you and supporting you in the days when you feel tiny and impossible to absorb all that you are and all that is in the universe for your joy, for your beingness, for your creation. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. I am Metatron, drawing the breath in, deeply, deeply, drawing the breath in. Shake out your right hand, shake out your left hand. Bring your dominant hand to the belly chakra. I am divine. Place your awareness of divinity. I am aware of my divinity in my digestion, in my belly, in my bowel, in my colon, in my intestines. I am aware of my divinity. All those juices moving around, all that waste and all those nutrients being separated out, and your body shedding. Your body sheds waste for compost and takes in nutrients. The message is all around you. Shed what you no longer need and honor it. Honor it as the fertilization for your growth and the growth of the lotus within you. Bring your dominant hand to the solar plexus, what is called the power chakra on the earth. What connects you to all other living beings, those you revere and those you despise. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Connecting to the power within you, I am that I am, and I am divine. And drawing the breath in deeply, deeply, drawing the breath in, I am divine. Moving your hand counterclockwise on the solar plexus, tone once as you draw that energy into that power chakra, accepting your divinity. I accept my divinity. Come to the heart and gently tap it with the 5 fingers of that dominant hand, tapping around the heart, the chest cavity, tapping it. Imagine you were tapping in the divine nature, the I am presence, the divinity in the heart. Accepting divinity in my heart, I am. I accept in my heart of hearts that I am divine. Speak that. I accept in my heart of hearts that I am divine. I am divine, and I accept my divine nature on the wings of the heart, on the wings of joy. Use that tone. And feel yourself float on the divine nature. Coming up to the throat, gently tapping the throat, the will center. I am willing to accept my divine nature, and I accept myself as a divine being now. I join the ranks of all divine beings. I step up with the angelic realm. I step up with the ascended masters. I step into the circles of light. Step in. Accept your divine nature. Be bold. Be bold. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Feel the boldness of joy bursting within your will chakra. Within your will chakra, accepting it. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron. Breathing in. Feel your throat, accepting the breath. Big sound. You have never on your planet given sound vibration the acceptance, and you have never given it the acceptance and awareness of its power. Sound is very powerful. Find your sound now. Move it around in your being. You are willing to be divine. Repeat that. I am willing to be divine. I am Metatron, 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 reflecting the divinity to you. Reflecting your ascension to you. Remember, as Saint Germain said last month, you are not going up on a pillar of light anytime soon. Perhaps you will move in your etheric bodies that way tonight as you go into the dream time. Neptune is close to your moon, and it brings in opportunities to expand your awareness. Be aware and be light. I am Metatron, Metatron, Metatron with you tonight.